Hello everyone. Today I'm working on another one of those dishwasher dirty clean signs. Sorry if you're hearing screaming in the background, my grandkids are playing in the next room. So to start out with, I bought these circles at Walmart. They're actually 3¼ inches across, not 3. So I just found my center point and marked it. I painted it with this lamp ebony black by DecoArt. I also purchased these at Walmart to put on the back to hold them onto the dishwasher. And I just affix those onto the back. I always add some of this E6000, even though those are adhesive magnets. I put this on there to really secure them on there. I think I'm just going to do 2 different colors, and one can just be decided whatever they want. So to do my divider though, I'm going to use white, and I'm going to go with the number 6. And I'm just going to do this line in white. So I'm just going to basically do a pattern on both sides. One with primarily pinks and the other ones with some greens and yellows. So I'm going to do the top side first. I'm going to go to the number 4. And I'm going to use this royal fuchsia color. And I'm just going to do a dot in between each one of these dots that I just made. And I'm debating if I want to do the same pattern on both sides, and I think I will. So I'm going to go with this yellow-green color. I'm going to do the same thing I just did, only on the lower half. So let's still use the number 4. I'm going to turn it around because it's easier for me to see. Okay, now I have an uneven amount of dots going across here, and I want to use bigger dots and do every other one. So I'm going to work on the outside in, so when I have where there's 2 open, it'll be in the center, if that makes any sense. A number 6. And with the pink, I'm going to use this dragon fruit. It's just a bit lighter. Okay, now I'm going to go with the number 6 on this side. This time with Pistachio Mint, and I'm going to go into the center like I did with the pinks. Okay, now I'm going to go up to the number 8. And this time on the yellow side, I'm going to use this golden yellow on the green side. And I'm going to go in between these. And then on the pink side, I'm going to go in with the number 8 and use this electric pink color. And then I'm going to go in with the number 14, and I'm going to go back to the first original colors. So this darkest one would be royal fuchsia on the pink side. I'm going to do a dot above these. And then it's going to be the yellow-green color on this side. And that's with the number 14. I think I'm going to go in with the number 6. Maybe not the number 6. Let's go down to the number 4. And I'm going to continue these dots on the outside. I'm just going to make a border. Okay, now I'm going to come in with the number 14 and put a dot right out from this dot. And that's with that royal fuchsia. And then I'm going to go do the same thing with the yellow green, and I'm just centering that dot. With the number 13, and I'm going to put some huge white dots on both sides, and I'm going to angle them off of, base them off of these two dots right there. So I'm just going to put it like in between them. And then I'm going to also do one right above the middle. Let's do the number 4. And I'm going to use that darkest green color, the yellow green. I'm going to do the same on this side with the number 4 and that darkest color, which is the royal fuchsia. Now I'm going to come in with the number 3, and still I'm going to use that royal fuchsia color. I'm going to walk some dots around this big white one here. I'm going to turn it around and do the same thing on this side, but with the yellow green. Okay, I'm still in the number 3. I'm going to use the next color, which on this one would be Pistachio Mint. Okay, and on this side, it would be the dragon fruit. I'm going to walk some dots with the number 3 on this purplish color one here, but I'm not going to go all the way around. I'm going to do white on these as well. Now I'm going to come in with the lightest color of each. I'm going to go with the number 6. So it would be that hot pink color, the electric pink. I'm going to put a dot right above the white one right there. That's with the number 6. Now I'm going to go on this side and do the yellow. And I'm going to move up to the number 9, and I'm going to go with that dragon fruit color for the pinks. And I'm going to put it kind of going inward here, one in the middle, and then on this side I'm going to use that Pistachio Mint with the number 9 again. And I'm going to go to the number 6, and I'm going to do 2 white dots in between these. And then I'm going to move all the way up to a number 11, and I'm going to put a white dot on both sides here. Now I think I want to add some more black into this. So this is that DecoArt's Lamp Ebony Black, and I'm going to dot the white ones with that. So for these bigger ones, I'm going to go with the number 8 on these 3 in the center here. I'm going to go down to the number 6 for these other 2. And then I'm not going to do those other ones, those little ones there. I'm going to leave those. But I'm going to do these middle ones with the number 3. And I'm going to dot all those white ones. I'm going to go down to the number 2 and use black and just put a dot in each one of those. I'm going to use that electric pink to dot on the darkest colors up here. I'm going to go with a number 9. And then I'm going to use the yellow to dot on the big green ones, and that's with the number 9 as well. Okay, and on these green ones over here, I'm going to go with the number 5, and I'm going to pick the darkest color. So That would be the yellow green. And then on this side, I'm going to use the lighter color on these. I'm going to use that dragon fruit on those. Let's go to the number 4. And I'm going to do white on these. Okay, and then I think I'm going to do black on those with the number 3. And I think I'm going to leave it at that. So you would just decide which side you want to use for dirty and which side you want to use for clean. So I hope you guys like it, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. See ya.